Welcome to an unboxing video of a long-awaited Gong package where I ordered the new series, where a lot of people asked me when it will arrive. It arrived because we moved to a new place closer to a lake. I didn't really have much time. I also have a newborn at home, so at least I thought I could unpack all the stuff and explain you what I got and why I got it, and I will try to do like a pumpfoil video with it and test the different things that I bought to see how much influence they have on my pumpfoiling abilities. But it will take some weeks to film that, and I'm also a bit behind editing the videos that I've been doing the last weeks. So I ordered, as you can see, several things. I started wingfoiling. I learned it last summer and bought my first wing. I bought a +5. I think it should suit well in Switzerland. We don't have a lot of wind, we have more light wind, so I want to have a 5. And if there's more wind, I probably go kiting at the same place. I ordered a new stabilizer because I want to have like less drag but still enough surface to be able to pump and to be able to go slow. I had a fast stab, which was really great for going fast, but it wasn't really good for going low. It made the fluid stall very quickly. And so I bought a new stabilizer, and therefore I also need a new fuselage. I didn't go with a titanium, I went with the Pro in aluminium to save some cost. I will see how much difference just the stabilizer makes in pumpfoiling. I hope that it gets better with the Fluid XXL, that I have more time at low speeds and not so much stalling. I will see how that is going. It's quite light, it's very nice produced. I guess I can't say much to the fuselage. It's a bit shorter and therefore the stabilizer is a bit longer. And then for the Sirus in XXL, it's 156 centimeters long. I ordered a new mast. They said that you kind of need a stronger mast, so it's a carbon HM Modulus in 72 centimeters. It should be perfect for pumpfoiling. I pumpfoiled with the 85 centimeters, which isn't wrong, but not the best. And so I guess speed starts and also the pumpfoiling itself should be a bit easier with a 72 mast. And I'm not sure if I will feel a difference for like the other wings that I have, like the Fluid or the Curve, but we will find out in the future. I like the mast. I think it's very good that Gong fixed the mast plate to it, because the ones I had, I always had a little bit of flexibility between the plate and the mast, and so I think it's much better to have it in one go. But I guess the downside is packing. It's a bit more difficult to pack it into some tight spaces, but I think it's a great idea if you need like a lot of stiffness to have a fixed mast plate with the mast coming. It's very light. I think it's very nice, so I will see what difference it makes and if I really need it for the Sirus but also for the other wings. Then the next one, this is the new front wing. It's 156 centimeters long. It looks massive. Like the Fluid is not small, it's like XXL, but it looks kind of small compared to the Sirus. It looks very well produced. Looks like it will have a lot of fun with it, but also I guess it will take some time to get used to it because it's kind of high aspect. So we'll now compare the different sizes, as you can see, and get a little bit of image. I hope I can try it out soon. I don't have the best starting possibilities from where I live right now. They have a swimming dock and kind of a short dock at another spot. I have to see how good or how easy it is with a 150 centimeters wingspan to start with. I guess the best kind of dock is in Silver Plana, where you can put the wing under this dock because it's kind of free hanging. But on the docks that I'm using, it's not, so I will have to see if I can start it with a dead start or jump start to make it happen. Otherwise I think it will get a bit difficult. So I'm sorry for letting you wait. I will try it soon when I have some time and when I caught up with work that I have to do. and then I have to edit the video and bring it out to you. So if you have questions, feel free to ask. Thank you for watching and have a great day.